They will not win. They will not win. They're trying to cancel us. We are back. Sorry. Oh my God. Back to the corn call. Literally everything just turned off. Literally everything just turned off. I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, Wi-Fi. I have direct plugged in Wi-Fi. It's fiber internet. I pay an extra friggin' $40 extra a month for super fiber diber fucking internet. and it shit on me, guys. It shit on me. This has happened twice. I'm gonna buy the internet money, they said. Sorry, guys. My God, what the hell? That could throw a spanner in the works, no? We've recovered, okay? We've recovered. We're back. Good morning. What's going on? Alex O'Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Auto Gang. We've done the TA. Go check out the other video. I just got rug tugged by the internet. Absolutely. We were looking at APACs, weren't we? My God. That was so... I'm like, do I panic? No, I'm like, okay. Come on, internet. Come back. Come to me, internet. So the internet just shit on my face. However, we'll start a poll. Now, oh, it's better than dial-up. It's better than dial-up. It's better than dial-up, okay? We're starting a poll, okay? So I had dial-up. The poll is, Mom, get off the phone. Okay? I'm sorry, my friends. I'm sorry. Bitcoin setup. Back to the Bitcoin setup. My God. Okay, trying to get organized here. The internet is German. Back to the corn call. So right now, bing bong, hope all is well, people. What's going on? Paper planes in the house. What's going on, my friend? Hope you're doing well. So we're back to the corn call. As a kid, I used to game on dial-up. It was brutal. I did too. I used to be able to router tap, so you would like start your router while playing like Halo 2, and it would lag everybody. If you were the host of the game, it would lag everybody else in the game, and you could just walk around and shoot people while they're like glitching. I was one of those kids, you know. Router hack, router spam. You just reset your router over and over again, and people just get lagged out. Yeah, it was cheating. Yeah, I used to cheat in Halo when I was a kid. It's probably not a good thing to admit. However, we're back. Bing bong, Mr. Candle Mafia's jumping in the chat. What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. Back to the corn call. But yeah, we used to lag kids out with the routers. I used to have to yell at my mom. She'd pick up the phone and drop my connection. All those good things. But we're back. Okay, we're back. And we were looking at Avalanche, but we also got the corn call here going on. Okay. We have taken this trade. Not financial advice. Just saying. Okay. Here's the corn call. Even with the internet down, we're still taking trades, baby. Let's go. Okay, so we can see that we've dumped down a little bit of exhaustion here, looking to work its way back up, pop through the zero line. Yes, we had a massive rejection this morning. Market's about to open in 3 minutes. We'll have a better idea, but this was the call this morning. We'll have to see if it works out. If not, we get stopped out, but that's okay. The big ideas here, we were looking for this, and we were also looking for the short position up here at 35.7. Okay, so we're looking for that. Also, the big play, in my opinion, is that since we got this massive move, we're looking for the play back down to 34.8, and then a continuation upwards if we are going to fall, pardon me, that low. So right now, VWAP sits above us. We're waiting for the market to open, and we're going to take a quick look at Avalanche, and we'll keep our eye on this trade. I have it over on my other monitor, along with all you guys yelling at me for pulling the stream. Unsub paper planes. Jeanette, what's going on? Hope you're doing well, Jeanette. Hope you're having a great day. Good morning to you, my friends. Thank you guys so much for dropping by the live. We got disconnected. The internet went out. Whatever. We're back. Who cares? Let's continue on our merry way. Going over to Avalanche. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Avalanche. We marked out some key levels of resistance. We do have a nice valley in here where price can move quite quickly if we decide to shoot up. It's very similar for Bitcoin where we don't have a lot of price action within this range. Okay, we could pull the volume around here to around here and try to get some idea. We can see there is a volume spike actually right here. So let's mark that one out just as well. Okay, so we'll put in a horizontal here. We can see the volume spike. We can simply come over here and we can see where we're at. Okay, so we can see that we had the previous range in front of us here. So it's nice to see that we've broken out of this 1150 area. Okay, 1150 is going to be our key level of support now that we've blasted out of. Okay, massive push up. Flip this to support and continue our way upwards. I would like to see us get to the 50 zone of this downwards trend that we've been in for quite some time. Okay, I'd like to see us get up to that area around $13. Okay, if we do continue this push upwards. If we get into the nitty gritty, we can simply see on Avalanche that we're making higher highs all the way up here. This momentum is intense. Okay, all the way up. We dropped out of this momentum. We've pushed up since the move on Bitcoin. Okay. So we'll be watching very closely now to see if Bitcoin is going to retrace and pop back off, or is Bitcoin going to continue its rally to the upside. Right now, our trade isn't looking so bueno, okay? We do have some wicks down here that we could look for support. However, if we do fall, we know that we could fall quite dramatically through this area here. That's why we have a stop loss just underneath these wicks, okay? So be very, very cautious here if we do cool off and come down. Now that the market's open, let's go over. We'll check out the S&P and we'll see what's popping off over there. S&P is opening up high, okay? Opening up high. This is pretty much due to the ES flying off the rails, okay? So it's opening up high, which leaving a gap below us, which is okay because we got some bullish momentum after Powman spoke yesterday. Okay, so now we can see the S&P is continuing to rip, creating a new gap for us to fill. So we had a gap down here. We filled it yesterday, right? When we filled up the gap yesterday, now we've created a new gap, and we're looking for price to come up to this key level of resistance. Very nice move for the S&P. A nice recovery, getting above these highs here. Okay, so it's nice to see that it's gotten above here. However, this is still a very aggressive downtrend. We could look for this to continue its way down, but this is a nice little recovery from the S&P. We had this key level at 41.1 marked out for a bounce, and guess what? It did bounce, so it's pretty cool to see how the TA works there. We're looking for it to come back up to at least this 43,050 area where it can look for possible resistance push or a rejection from this area as well, okay? Going over to the Dixie. The Dixie got slapped, okay? The Dixie got slapped, which means that we could possibly look for a retrace today, which means downside action for Bitcoin if we do get a push up from the Dixie. However, if we do fall down through this area, we could be looking for a pump on the Bitcoin price as well. So let's be patient and let's let the markets tell us which way they think price is going to go. Going back over to the Bitcoin trade setup, however, we can see here. Let's zoom in and let's take a look. What I can see, VWAP sits above us. We naturally want to come back up to this VWAP, okay? We can see a little bit of exhaustion here, failing to make in the lower lows. Are we going to roll over? That's still quite a possibility here, okay? We can see the yellow X continuation, which isn't bueno for the Bitcoin price. I'm going over the 1 minute. We can see that we're flagging out here. This is holding, right? And we are getting higher highs here on the 1 minute. This is very much degen timeframes, okay? So we could be looking for a possible bullish divergence here on the small term timeframes that could possibly push us up. However, this is quite a dramatic push down, and we are looking to roll over and fall through our stop loss, okay? So we need to be patient here. Let's see if we do get the bounce with this trade setup. However, this is a nice area for where we would look for a bounce on the Bitcoin price. We got to be patient when we're in the negative and the trade setup has fallen through. We can still trust the TA and look for the bounce, look for the continuation. We also have to watch for our invalidation. Okay, we got the VWAP above us, right? what tells me I'm wrong? What tells me I'm wrong is when we can see either it comes down and hits our stop loss. That's obviously when we're wrong. But we're not going to move the stop loss. We're going to be disciplined, and we're going to watch the price and see if we can get a push up. However, this is a little bit of a bull div here. 3 minutes, same thing. We're getting green dots, very much oversold. It's fighting. It's fighting right now. Lots of volume coming into the market. S&P is pushing its way up. Okay, Dixie is not dropping, but it is pretty flat. The NASDAQ pumping up. Pretty nice to see. Bitcoin dominance is curling over. Let's see, ADA. ADA's pushing up too. It's made some nice highs after yesterday's break of this uptrend. It came down and then it pushed right back up into moving forward. Solana on a tear, okay? On a tear. We're looking for this $47.80 area for resistance. However, don't fight this trend. This is massive for Solana. Lots of news coming out on Solana. What are we looking for on the economic calendar? Well, today, not so much. Okay, Bank of England came in with an interest rate decision, but tomorrow we have farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and ISM services. So these could possibly move the markets, not the Canadian unemployment rate. We're all unemployed anyways, okay? Oh, too much fun. Can we push back? Mr. Bitcoin, can we push back? Getting everybody bearish, jumping into possible shorts, okay? Jumping into possible shorts. Machine learning says that Solana could go up to over $50. I read an article about that. That's pretty cool. I mean, anything positive for the space is great. Going over to Bookmap. Okay, Bookmap. We can see that there is a lot of buys below us here, especially around 35,000. The shorts are pushing hard. You can see there's a lot of red orders up top here pushing us down. So we need to be very cautious here with this price action. With the price action, we'll close Bookmap there. We'll go over to the Bitcoin price. We can see it's cooling off. However, we need to be patient. Let the price come to us. Okay, what do we got here? This is interesting. Okay, going over to Coinalyze, we can see that we are making higher highs and lower lows. Price is coming down. This to me tells me that somebody is buying up Bitcoin right now, wanting to push this price higher, okay? Wanting to push price higher. We can see open interest is coming up. So we watch the open interest, look for this divergence here where we can see price possibly push upwards. This is a positive sign for the Bitcoin price, okay? Trying to build confluences for you guys so that we can see if this trade is going to work out. We can see the green dots momentum wave coming up. Money flow is in the red, however, doesn't look too strong right now. Volume peaked up for this drop, but has cooled down on this area. Now we can see the pushback. We can see the momentum wave coming up. We can see the VWAP pushing up on the 15-minute, okay? Very good sign. 12-minute, not ready. 10-minute. 10-minute, okay? Very much oversold, but you can see the money flow is starting to curl back. VWAP's pushing back up, okay? Interesting tall tail here. No confirmed green dot on the 7 or the 5. The 5 is looking to put a green dot in here. If we can get a little bit of a push up, we can see a possible push on the Bitcoin price, okay? Whew. What's the bitmap saying about Bookcoin? I bet there are juicy short stops above us. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's definitely liquidity above here. There's definitely more up here. I know a lot. I mean, even I think Brewberry is in a short from up here. The man, the myth, the legend. Join us over in the free Discord, my friends. Even Brewberry, you know, he's in a short. Look at him. Check mark, check mark, check mark, check mark. This man has been destroying this range as per usual. He's in a short. Very nice trading. Good job, Brewberry. Much love to you, my friend. Fire, my man, as we always say. We all here just clapping, okay? Much love to you guys. Thank you guys for your support, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Trying my best, even with the internet farting off on us. We're still here getting you guys all the goodies. So much love to every single one of you guys. I've been here since 8:30. Is there anything else you guys would like me to look at? We can see very simple push up, breakout on most things right now. Push up, breakout. So we're keeping our eye on the prize, making sure to help you guys stay profitable, trying to give you guys the setups in advance. Bitcoin volume, implied volatility. I was taking a look at this. Overlay the Bitcoin price. Let that load. Volatility is up right now. Market open, right? It dropped down. It's very interesting to see this stuff. Just to build confluence, right? Just to kind of see, okay, volume volatility came in, massive pump. Okay, it's coming down right now, which means we're dumping, which is weird, because then that, to me, if price is dumping and volume's coming down, that means that there's possibly an opportunity for us to pump. Vice versa. So we try to build confluence throughout the charts. Yeah, I took most of my profit on that short already. There he is, Mr. Brewberry himself. This man, the myth, the legend. We're coming for you, bro. We're coming for you, man. Oh, hope you're doing well. Thank you for your support, man. I appreciate you and all you do, man, for the channel and for everybody here. You guys can learn a lot from his charts, man. It was good seeing you in person too on Lunar Beach's Crypto's Sunday swim. I mean, it's all about community, guys. It's all about giving back, sharing our knowledge, trying to help each other be profitable, right? Wins, loses, kindness goes further than either of that. So we can all help each other grow. We can all help each other prosper in this wild, wild world. Duck, they're coming. You don't need to duck. We know you're a kung fu master, man. We know you're going to be like, duck, psych, psh, 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 psh. Roundhouse, pop. You won't even see it coming, man. Don't mess with you. Oh, man. Much love, bro. So that's pretty much it for me today. I appreciate your guys' support, and I appreciate you guys being here and helping out the channel, man. Dave Digital, we came back. Our internet cut out. What can you do? But we came back, right? We bounced back with anything. Much love to every single one of you guys here. Thank you guys for your continued support. We will continue to show up for you even when the internet fails, okay? Even when the internet fails. Much love. Thank you guys. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.